Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. So we'll see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, one card each for our general energy, for career or our work situation, guys, and one card for your relationship. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed for your daily energy, new life. These cards have to be read straight, guys. Leos, the energy with this card is, guys, you are getting new opportunities in your life. This may relate to your work situation or in this relationship. You may be meeting somebody new, or some new person is coming to propose to you, or you may propose to them. So you feel that excitement and happiness because of that, and you are clearly seeing the path to reach your goals and whatever achievements that you have for yourself, that expectations that you have for yourself. So you are walking towards that, and you are nearing those goals, and you feel extremely happy because of that, and you feel that you are really fortunate to be in this position right now, and you feel that exciting potential in you and in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So things are falling into place finally, Leos. So whatever you were expecting, it is right there in front of you. So that is what you feel today with this card. So for your career, all that glitters. This relates to your career, guys. So in certain situations, you need to have that deeper understanding of the choices you make, the path you need to take in life. So you should not be trapped by the beautiful outside picture of that situation or of that choice that you need to make. You need to recognize the deep motives that are there. If it is a person or if it is a situation, you need to have that in-depth understanding of that situation, guys. So all that glitters is not gold. You need to understand that. Maybe certain opportunities are coming your way that may seem very lucrative, that may seem very promising, but you need to have that deep understanding before you step in with that choice in that path. So that is the energy here, guys. So you need to be vigilant, attentive on your decisions, what you make today, guys, in your career. That is the energy here, Leos. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Time for a nap. Leos, the energy with this card is that, guys, if you are single, you have to take that time to heal yourself from your past relationship, guys. You need to take time to know yourself, understand yourself. So you need to just relax yourself. Or if you are with a partner, if you are with a person in this connection, you do not have to force anything. You just enjoy your time with them, spend time with them. You need to have patience in this relationship. So whatever your heart desires, you need to keep a check on that, and you need time to be quiet and allow yourself that relaxation, and give time for that connection to strengthen and that love to build, guys, in this relationship. So It is a time for you to allow things to deepen, to strengthen. So you need time to be quiet. So this is a very nourishing time, guys. If you are single, it is a time for you to be alone and help yourself to rejuvenate yourself emotionally and spiritually. And if you are with this person in this connection, you need to give time for patience, for patient understanding of what your heart desires, and make it as a relaxing time or waiting time for things to take shape, for things to deepen. So that is the energy with this card, Leos, and that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings. Bye, Leos.